Hi kids, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about how to tell time. This is a clock. This is one of the ways that we tell time. A clock has 12 numbers on it, and each number is an hour. And in one day, we have 24 hours. So that means we go through the clock 2 times. Okay, are you ready to learn these numbers with me and how to tell time? Let's go! First, let's put all the numbers back on the clock. Will you help me put them in the right place?
Yes.
Let's start with the number 1. So 1 goes up here. 1. Then we go to 2. 2. Then we have the number 3. 3. So now 3 is always in the middle. So we see that 3 is in the middle. And we go to 4. And now we have 5. And then 6. And 6 is also in the middle. So you have 3 and 6. This helps it make it easier when you're reading a clock. Now 7. And 8. And 9. So you see that 3 and 9 are across from each other. So you have 3 in the middle, you have 6 in the middle, and now you have 9 in the middle. So let's go to the next one. 10. And we have 11. And the last one is 12. 12 goes at the top. Okay, so let's go through them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 12 is in the middle. It's in the middle of the top. Then 3 is in the middle. Then 6 is in the middle. And 9 is in the middle. So that's how you know you made the clock correctly, when those 4 numbers are in the middle. So now let's go to the next learning point, which is how to tell the hours and the minutes. The hours and the minutes. So if someone says to you, "What time is it?" you can look at this clock and see what part of the day it is. And you can tell them what hour it is and what minute. So if you look at this shorthand, this is called a shorthand because it's shorter than the long one. This is shorter, this is long. So this is a shorthand. The shorthand tells you what hour it is. And the longhand, this long one, tells you what minute it is. So let's go ahead and try a couple, shall we? So this is a shorthand and it's pointing to 2. So that means it's 2 o'clock. Now if we want to change the time, we can leave this up here and go to this time. So what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Good job. Now let's move this. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. And we'll do one more. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Good job. Now let's try with the long hand. So the long hand again tells you what the minute is. So if you want to change this, you can move this around. Now, in 1 hour, can you tell me how many minutes are in an hour? There's 60 minutes. 60 minutes in an hour. So say we want to move this around and tell the time when it's right at the start of the hour. So when the hour is starting, we leave it on 12. So that's why this is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. And if we move the shorthand and we put this here, and you leave it at 12, then it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So, how do we separate the minutes and the hour? Remember when I said we have 3, 6, and 9, and 12 in the middle? Well, if you take 60 and you divide it by 4, you get 15. So today we're going to focus on the 15-minute marks. So that means this is 8 o'clock. If we move the minute hand to right here, now it's 8:15. 8:15. And the reason it's 15 is because at the 3 is the 15-minute mark. The 15-minute mark. Now say we move this down here. So this is going to be 8:30. 8:30. So it goes 15, 30, 45, and at the top of the hour, 60. So let's move it one more time and put it here. Now it's 8:45. 8:45. And let's move it one more time. And now, since we've completed the hour, we would move this one up to the next hour. And now it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay, I know that was a lot. Shall we try another one? Let's try another time. How about 4? So say I wanted to do 4:15. 4:15. So first we have to move this shorthand and move it all the way to the number 4, because remember, the number 4 tells us the hour. So now it's 4. But we have to also move the minute hand. So this is 4. This is the shorthand pointing to the hour. 4. And now we'll move the long hand. So say we wanted to say it's 4 o'clock. Well, the long hand is right here. So this is 4 o'clock. But we want 4:15. 4:15. So do you remember which one of these is 15? It's this one. So we move it to right here. And that tells us it's 4:15. Okay, let's try one more. We go down to right here. And this is 4:30. 4:30. Good job. And now if you move it here, this is 4:45. 4:45. And let's do the last one. Remember, we move it back up here and we move the shorthand to the next number because now the hour is completed. So it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So now you know how to tell time with hours and minutes. You did a great job. I was so excited to learn with you. Can't wait to learn with you next time. Bye.